Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are very fine. Today, we are going to discuss chapter 33, Colorful World of our GK book. Okay, we will discuss only page number 46 today, and page number 47 we will discuss another day. Colorful world, that means definitely this chapter is related to colors. You all are knowing colors are very important in our life. Without the color, our life will be boring, isn't it? The colors are having the great importance in the festivals. If the festival we are celebrating Durga Puja or Chhath, Diwali, if we will not use to wear the colorful dress, then it will be quite boring, isn't it? That's why we always use to wear very bright color that enhance the beauty of the festivals. Also, it brings a lot of joy and happiness in our life. Okay, but sometimes when these color name is adding with some other word, the meaning is completely changed. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss some of the word that is having the particular meaning. Okay, that meaning does not match with the other word. If we will add any color name with anything, that it doesn't means that will have the definite meaning. Okay, but when we use to add some color with the another word, that will have the special meaning. Okay, and it means very different. Okay, so we will discuss some of the word related to the colors name. So let's start. First, we are going to discuss about yellow fever. As you can see, the color name is yellow, but it is added to the fever. So whenever we are saying yellow fever, that will always and always considered as a the disease which affect the kidney and liver, and sometimes when it is very serious, it will be the jaundice, and that time our skin color and our eye color will convert little yellowish, not completely yellow but yellowish. Okay, that's why this is known as yellow fever. And when we are suffering from this disease, it can damage your lungs, it can damage your livers and kidney. Whenever we are suffering from the jaundice, the doctors always suggest to keep our liver and kidney strong. That's why we used to eat mild food that will take very less time to digest, so that our liver and our kidney will not have to do a lot of work, because we have to give the rest to the liver and kidneys. But sometimes when this yellow fever is very serious, that time the color of our eyes become yellow, and that is the reason why we called it yellow fever. Okay, next is red fort. The name of the color is red, and the fort, individually red is the different meaning and fort is the different meaning, but whenever we are combining these two words, it always reflected to that Mughal architecture. Okay, we can say Mughal architecture, that is red fort. Okay, if we are adding yellow fort, it is not known by the people, but red fort is always known. Why? Because this is having the particular meaning. Okay, so red fort is the historical architecture which was made by the Mughal emperor Shah Jahan. Okay, and why this fort is known as red? Because the red sandstone is used. You can see this is completely made by the sandstone, and the color of the sandstone is red. That's why the name is given red fort. Now next, in the future, after that, in the next future, we cannot give the same name as red fort. We have to choose some other name, but right now, till now, only one red fort is present in this world, and that is present in the Delhi. Next is white ant. Don't go with the name. These are totally different from the ant. Okay, the size is also bigger as compared to the ant, but why these are called white? Only due to the color. Okay, white ant is known as white ant are also known as the termite. Actually, these termite are depending on the wood or the different type of timber. They are eating the wood. Sometimes you must have seen, if our wood is not dried very nicely, you are purchasing some of that furniture, then after some time this termite start eating your wood and your furniture can be spoiled. So these are known as the white ant. Okay, these are called ant. Why? Because they are also living together. Okay, they are also living in the social way like ants are living. Ants are always present in a group, and in the same way these termites are also present in the group. On the basis of that only they are called white ant. So white ant, another name of white ant is termite. Okay, next is the red cross. Okay, you can see red cross. Red is a red color and the cross means like this. Okay, as you can see they are wearing the t-shirt which is having the cross sign. But these red cross means it is the international humanitarian movement. Okay, what it means, they always try to help the sick people, wanted people, homeless people. If anyone is not having home, any person is sick or they are disabled, they are not able to help themselves, then these movement help them. Okay, they provide the home for those people who is not having home. Okay, they take care of the sick people or wanted people. Okay, so this is the humanitarian movement which is known as Red Cross. Actually it is working on the international level. Next we are going to discuss about the White House. You all are knowing White House is the residence of the US president. If in the India we are calling any of the White House, that means it will not be the same meaning as the US president residence is having. Okay, so this White House is given the white color only because of the color of the building. Okay, initially from the beginning only the color of this building is white. That's why this is called White House, and nowadays these are popular as the residence of the US president. Okay, who is the current president of United States is Joe Biden. Okay, now this White House is the residence for Joe Biden in 2021. Okay, next is Greenland, the very beautiful and mysterious island. Okay, this is present in between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. Greenland, land, you all are knowing land is the terrestrial part. Okay, and green is the color, but whenever we combined these two words, the Greenland, it becomes the name of the country. Okay, which is located, it is the actually the island. Okay, which is surrounded all around from the ocean. Okay, so this is the very beautiful place, and it is very interesting that from the May to July the sun is not set. Okay, it is very interesting. And why this happens? Because of the rotation and revolution and the tilt of the earth. You can see that the earth is tilted. Okay, and this is the reason why the North Pole areas generally are not having the sunset for a longer period of time. Okay, so many places are there which is having 3-month night, 3-month day, or 6-month night, 6-month day, like this. Okay, when you will go to the higher classes you will study about this, but for now only know Greenland is an island. Okay, which is surrounded by the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. Next is Orange River. Don't go on the name, the color of the water is not orange. Okay, but the Orange River is considered as the longest river in the South Africa. Okay, whenever we call Orange River, it always reflect to the river which is present in the South Africa. No other river can be named as the Orange River because one time it has been given. Orange River is having the very great importance on the people who is living on the South Africa, because these river provide the hydroelectricity to those people. These water is also used for the irrigation purpose. That means most of the economy of African is depending on this river only. Okay, next is greyhound. Okay, greyhound is the species of the dog. Okay, one of the species of the dog, and they are very tall, slender. These are having very sharp eyesight. That means very clear and very sharp eyesight they are having. They can catch their they can recognize, they can catch, and they can hunt their enemies. Okay, these are used for racing purpose. That means they are racing. These are used for the fun purposes also, because they are having very high speed. Okay, they can run very fast, and sometimes also they are used as a hunting in a hunting game. Hunting game means they are selected and there is a game when they have to hunt the other animals, and this game is only for fun. So this is only the breed, we can say breed or species of the dog. Last one we are going to discuss is green finger. Green means the color and finger means we are knowing. But whenever we are using these two words together, this always reflect the meaning, which is the capability of growing the plant. Okay, green fingers means capability of growing the plant. If you are able to grow the plant very nicely, that means you can be called green finger. Okay, that means I am having the ideas, I am having the ability, I can grow the plant very nicely, okay, and very healthy way, so I will be called green finger. So we can also say these green fingers reflects to those persons, okay, who is having greater ability or having the nice ideas to grow the plant more and more. Okay, you can see downside I have written, if someone has green fingers, that means they are very very good at gardening, they can do the work of the gardening very nicely. Okay, so I hope you all have understood these 9 words, particular words which is having completely different meaning related to the color word. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.